Hi guys, how are you doing? I am Natalia Harchek, and today I'm here to teach you how to use mind maps to expand your vocabulary. So, first of all, I would like to show you a picture, and I would like you to see what's in this picture and write down everything that comes to your mind. All right, so you're gonna pause the video now, and you're gonna write down the words, and then you're gonna play the video again. And if it's possible, write down in the comments what you found. All right, pause the video. All right, so you guys are back. And now I'm gonna show you some words that came to my mind when I looked at this picture. So here you go. House, woman, man, girl, and car. Well, because this is not a vocabulary lesson, really, I just want to show you how to use mind maps. I didn't put a lot of words here on my slide, but I actually see other things that could be part of this map. For instance, window, roof, door, and parts of the car, windshield, license plate, etc. Okay, so you can do that later if you want. I would like to tell you what a noun is before I show you the mind map. So a lot of people are very worried about grammar. So grammar is important, but grammar should represent about 20% of your studies, okay? So if you only study grammar all the time, that's actually not good because you're going to be so concerned about being perfect that you're probably not going to be able to speak anything, all right? So if this is a problem for you, you really need to reconsider studying grammar 20% of the time and not all the time. With that said, I would like to show you what a noun is. Okay, so this is a technical word that means to describe a person, place, or thing. To make things easier, I like to think that nouns are words that name objects, name people and places. For instance, my office is a place, so office is a noun. And then I see some objects, for example, the map, globe, bookcase, desk, computer. So everything I see in this office, everything I see is a noun, okay? So basically, if you want to expand your vocabulary, you can always look around and see what you have and write down the words and then organize them in the map. So I have here some examples. From the previous slide, girl, house, and car. And nouns contain important information in a sentence. Okay, so for instance, if you just study the grammar, as I was telling you, like here, do you have this is a structure, right? Do you have a what? Do you have a car? Do you have a cat? Do you have a dog? Do you have an apartment? Do you have a computer? So that's why nouns are so important, because they carry a lot of meaning. Okay, well, here I have a very basic mind map. So mind maps help you expand your vocabulary. And how can we do that? Well, first we have a main category. In this case, we have nouns. And then we can have subcategories. I didn't put a subcategory here because I'd like to show you how a basic mind map works. But, well, here's what I did. I have girl, woman, and man. As you can see, I have these words in pink because they represent a subcategory of people. All right, so if I wanted to write now and then have a subcategory category here for people and then branch this out and then have girl, woman, and man as part of that subcategory, that would be perfect. Okay, and the same thing here. If I wanted to have objects for a category, then I could have house and car as part of that subcategory. Okay, so let me show you a more advanced mind maps so you understand what I'm saying. Well, the idea is to have the central topic here and then look at how more complex this one is. This one is about New Year's vocabulary, and I have everything from party to drinks to superstitions, clock related vocabulary, resolutions, and so on. And here I have expressions as well, phrasal verbs, nouns, and not just nouns. Okay, so this can definitely get more complex. And mind maps help us visualize, record, and review what we learn. And that's why it's so important to actually have them. All right, and this is a really good technique that you can use to learn English or any other languages, really. I use them for everything. Okay, well, so I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please click on the button below, and if you want to activate the bell under the video somewhere here on the screen, please do, and this way you're not gonna miss any of my videos. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope you're able to use mind maps successfully, and I'll see you next class. Bye bye.